Transparency and accountability in implementation of development programs in Manipur HAIBA HIRAMDA one-day public consultative meet PANGTHOKKHRE Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM Nasandana Hotel Classic Hotel North AOC da PANGTHOKKHIBA meet aduda bureaucratic corruption disproportionate asset of government officers, role of MLA Minister in Development Program, public vigilance on corruption, measures for abatement of corruption, a way forward HAIBA HIRAM Singh Asida, Dr. Danavir Laishram, social scientist, Michael Saiza, social and political activist, President ERA Ecological Rehabilitators Association, Hemanta Kumar Ningomba, Chief Editor Wael Kati, Dr. Gaikhamsin Riamai, former coordinator of Center for Women's Rights and Duties Education MU, Rais Ahmad Tampak, General Secretary UMPC Manipur, Professor Chinglen Maisnam, Professor of Eco and Economics and Head of Department Southeast Asian Studies MU na minute kun launa duna wangangki mid aduda diffuse print mai social worker na Christina Raman MA Education Department na reporter oina aduga Dr. Chance Raman Associate Professor amadi Gaingam Gangmai former President UNC na observer oina saruyaki.